In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Base44 app ID in just a few simple steps. If you're trying to grab the app ID so you can paste it into another tool, workflow, or integration, this is the fastest way to do it. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, open Base44 and go straight to the Apps section. This is where all of your apps are listed in one place, so you can quickly find the one you need. Once you're in the App section, look for the app whose ID you want to copy. When you see the correct app, click the three dots next to it to open the Options menu. In that menu, you should see the option to copy app ID. Click Copy App ID, and the ID will be saved to your clipboard instantly. From there, you can paste it wherever you need it, whether that's inside a setup field, a dashboard, a document, or another platform that asks for your Base44 app ID. That's all there is to it. No extra steps, no complicated setup. Just open the App section, click the three dots, copy the app ID, and paste it where you want. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.